I'm Salim Omar, author of the popular book Straight Talk about small business success in New Jersey, and featured on the cover of Accounting Today, the premier CPA magazine in the country.
I've been with Salim and his group for over 9 years. It was the best decision I've ever made.
My practice since I hired Salim, the best way to describe it is I have total peace from a financial standpoint.
Most likely, there's a way for you to pay substantially less in taxes legally and ethically. Most businesses that I end up working with do so because their accountant hasn't been giving them the attention that they deserve. Their accountant has been more of a number cruncher rather than a trusted business advisor.
Prior to Salim, I had an accountant who I believe had my best interests in mind. One year he had lost all of my documents to prepare taxes, and it was a nightmare.
If I was to be audited today, there's nothing that is out of order.
I've been an entrepreneur for almost 2 decades with my own accounting practice. I have worked with hundreds of businesses and have taken many of them from survival to becoming super successful.
He obviously is on top of his game.
I value his advice. He's a coach. His entire group take a personal stake in our business.
I don't worry about anything when it comes to my accounting.
I created Straight Talk CPAs almost 2 decades ago to help small businesses like you fight for their hard-earned money and to stop overpaying on their taxes. I grew up in a family where entrepreneurship was instilled in me at a very young age. My father started a business with his last $500 to fulfill his dream of sending his 4 kids to American universities. His business philosophy has always been maximizing profits, minimizing expenses. I understand how tough it is out there. With all the government bureaucracy, the economy's ups and downs. There's nothing worse than you having to pay more taxes than you need to. In fact, most of my clients end up saving up to 62% in taxes every year. Not only do most small business owners overpay in taxes, they also overpay in their monthly expenses and costs simply because they don't know what their numbers are. I'm all about your bottom line. Wouldn't you like the confidence of knowing that you're paying the least amount in taxes possible, your numbers are in order, and you're as profitable as you can be? If that is important to you, I'd like to invite you for a 30-minute strategy session. I'll review your business and see if you're overpaying on your taxes. I'll review your financials and see if there's holes, things that can be filled in. Simply click the button below and someone from my office will contact you within 1 business day.
If you really want that financial security behind you, my advice to anyone, whether they're a dentist or a business owner or an entrepreneur, is you definitely want to hire Salim and his team at Straight Talk CPAs.
I greatly value him and his team. For as long as I'm in business, Salim will be my accountant, and he should be yours as well.
I'd love to meet with you.